Hi guys, welcome to C++ video tutorials series. From the past few video tutorials, we are trying to understand operators in C++. In the previous videos, we have discussed most of these operators in C++ in depth step by step with examples. In this video, I would like to discuss operator precedence and associativity in C++. That is, precedence and associativity of operators in C++. Precedence. Precedence determines which operator should be evaluated first before the other in an expression. That means, while evaluating an expression, which operator should be evaluated first before the other is determined by precedence of operator. You can see here I have operators and their precedence level. Highest precedence is given to scope resolution operator. Next, parenthesis. Next, unary operators, and so on, guys. If you go to Google and search for operator precedence and associativity table in C++, you can easily get this table, guys. Just search for operator precedence and associativity in C++. Let's have a demo and understand what does actually this precedence means. I go to code blocks and write an expression. I say here cout and then I say in brackets 2 plus 3 multiplied by 5. If I ask what is the result of this expression to most of the students, they give answer 25. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 into 5 is 25. But this is a wrong answer, guys. Because if you see the precedence table, it says that multiplication operator should be evaluated first before the plus operator. Multiplication operator should be evaluated first before the addition operator. That means the correct answer is 5 into 3 is 15, 15 plus 2 is 17. 17 is the correct answer, not 25, guys. So understanding the precedence of operators is most important while evaluating an expression. What if I need to get the 25 only? Let's say I want to get 25. So I have to change the precedence of operator here. If I put 2 plus 3 inside brackets, if I put 2 plus 3 inside brackets, what happens is parenthesis has more precedence than the star, right? As per the precedence table, parenthesis has more precedence than the multiplication operator. So first parenthesis is evaluated, guys. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 into 5 is 25. This time you get the answer 25. So the first answer will be 17. Second answer will be 25. If I say build and run, you see that you get this 17 and then 25. So that is the most important concept to understand while discussing operators. That is precedence of operators, or simply we say operator precedence. Next comes the associativity. Associativity determines in which direction a specific operator should be evaluated. Associativity determines in which direction a specific operator should be evaluated. You can see here I have written the associativity of operators left to right, left to right, left to right, like that, right? If you see here, conditional operator and assignment operators have right to left associativity. That means they have to be evaluated from right to left. And also you see that here we have the plus operator. Plus operator has left to right associativity. That means if we find plus operator multiple times, they have to be evaluated from left to right. For example, if I come here and say cout and say here 2 plus 2 plus 2, what is the output? Of course you can say it is 6, but how exactly it is evaluated? How exactly it is evaluated? First, the left side plus is evaluated. So 2 plus 2 we get 4. Then 4 plus 2 is 6. That is how it is evaluated, guys. Plus operators are evaluated from left to right. So if I say build and run, you see you got the output 6, right? Let's say I have created a variables a, b and c, and then I say a is equal to b is equals to c is equals to 2, and then I say here cout display the value of a and l. What output we get? Definitely we'll get 2. But how is it evaluated? As we have here assignment operators have right to left associativity. Right to left, right to left, you can see here assignment operators have right to left associativity. So 2 is assigned to c, 2 is assigned to b, 2 is assigned to a. So This is how the assignment operator works. It is evaluated from right to left. If I say build and run, definitely we get the output 2, guys. So that is about precedence and associativity. Precedence determines which operator should be evaluated first before the other while evaluating an expression. So here is the precedence level, guys. Highest precedence is given to scope resolution and the lowest precedence is given to comma operator. And then here we have associativity, which indicates in which direction specific operator should be evaluated. If you carefully observe here, the conditional operator, assignment operators have right to left associativity, and unary plus, unary minus, typecasting are having right to left associativity. Other operators are having left to right associativity. Okay, so I suggest you people to watch this video again and again, understand the operator precedence and associativity in C++. If you still have any doubts, feel free to put them in the comment section. I'll be happy to clear, guys. In the upcoming video tutorials, we discuss more about C++ in depth, step by step. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. For more benefits and be up to date, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the